Welcome. In front of me I have a Garmin Venus 3S, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the watch itself. So let's just get straight into it. So in here we got a cable, some paperwork, and that's basically it. Now, this watch is smaller than the Venus 3, so S I guess stands for small, considering this is the Venus 3. And you can see that this one is significantly bigger with the strap and the entire watch face itself. So there we go. Now just a quick look, we have 3 buttons right here. We do have a charging port right here. As you can probably imagine, this one isn't magnetic, so you just kind of have to like clip it in here. There we go, like this. Not the most elegant solution, but it works. We have a color display, obviously, and one thing that is actually pretty neat here, unlike most other smartwatches, you can set this up without needing a smartphone. Would you consider that a smartwatch that doesn't need a phone to be smart? Thank you, Garmin. That is actually a nice kind of inclusion. So there we go. That's basically it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.